KaavadBits is a tabletop storytelling installation embodying the narrator-patron perspective of Kaavad-bachana, the act of reciting the Kaavad. Kaavad is a Rajasthani storytelling tradition dating back approximately 400 years. Through this explainer video, I will explain to you the various components of the KaavadBits installation and what a user interaction task flow looks like. In this installation, the Kaavadiya or the narrator is portrayed as a tree, which integrates the narrator into the story world. As most Panchatantra tales are set in a forest, the tree features a servo motor enabled oscillating canopy that directs user attention to the narrator when narrating. Branches leading up to the canopy are represented by an LED matrix illuminating the chosen narrative path. The canopy houses special figurines for interactions such as apple, mango, pear, and the bloom of eternal tales. A pair of hanging roots control the branching storyline choices. Traditionally, the keywords or the door are illustrated with pictorial descriptions of the stories, for which we reimagine the use case to represent whole stories and their characters. There are 4 NFC enabled laser cut MDF story blocks and 8 character figurines representing the animals from Panchatantra. The storytelling stage area has a display backdrop featuring corresponding images, captions, and interaction prompts. A central platform featuring an NFC scanner for scanning sticker UIDs oscillates when the placed character is contextually central to the point in the story, such as when delivering a dialogue. User interaction with KaavadBits starts with the users opening the keywords as they get acquainted with the characters and the stories, revealing the stage area. Listen, listen. Listen to this humble Kaavadiya. I come from faraway lands to tell you patrons about the age-old Kaavad-bachana tradition. Today, I bring you the tales of Panchatantra, wisdom of the animal kingdom. The narrator greets the audience and asks them to choose and present a story card and then its characters. Place it on the stage so I can see it, and put it above the stage. Upon receiving the patronage in the form of the bloom of eternal tales, the narrator begins enacting the story. Following onboarding, the user interacts with the character and special figurines throughout the story by replacing the figurine on the central platform. This interaction serves a dual purpose, immersing the audience by giving them an agency and directing their attention to the points in the story. Patron, now it is time for you to make a choice. Should the crocodile refuse his wife's threat and be friends with the monkey, or accept it and try convincing the monkey to get his heart? Pull the left hanging route to go with the first choice, or pull the right hanging route to go with the second choice. And so, torn between loyalty and fear for his wife's threat. At specific diverging points in the storyline, the user is presented with a binary choice that directs the rest of the story and its ending. As our current artifact constitutes 2 such instances, stories on KaavadBits have 4 unique endings. The moral of the story is in trusting others, it is essential to remain vigilant and discerning, for even the closest of friends may be swayed by the desires of those around them. After the moral of an ending is narrated, 3 special tokens are presented to the audience: an apple to ask the question to the narrator, a mango, and a pear to question the 2 primary characters. We realize this interaction using Wizard of Oz prototyping for our user evaluation. So, patron, you can go ahead and ask a question now.
How does the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile develop over time?
The friendship between Raktamukha and Karalamukha develops over time as they share delicious mangoes and engage in conversations. Their bond strengthens through their interactions, making Karalamukha torn between his loyalty to his wife and his newfound friendship with the monkey. Thank you for watching.